Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to the channel, and welcome to what is quite special What's in the Box Wednesday, because this is, I think, a YouTube exclusive. This box came from Steve at Staff Slot Cars UK. I did pay for the contents. This is not one of those kind of YouTuber freebies. I paid him for it, and he got it to me nice and quickly. So thank you very much for that, Steve. So without further ado, let us get into this box. Oh. It's a slot car. There's a surprise with a box that shape. And because it came from Staff Slots, it will also be no surprise that it is another Avant slot. And I've got some wheels and some offset bearings, also from Staff Slots, which we'll try on this car and on this car. But we'll do that in some future videos. So here we are. I know what this is. I saw a picture of it when Steve posted it on Facebook, and I just immediately wanted one. And I can't quite explain why, other than the fact that it just ignited something, and I needed one. And I did say to you the other day when I went to Slotfest, I tried to get a car and I couldn't, because it wasn't available yet in this country, because I think it was in the country but customs hadn't cleared it or something. So here it is. It will now be, I think by the time you see this video, at all good reputable slot car retailers. It's certainly at some of them already. And it is, oh wow, look at that. This is the Opel Manta 400 from the Rally Coste d'Ivoire. It's the Ivory Coast Rally from 1986. It is an Opel Manta. It is, I mean, a lot of companies do Marlboro liveries and they never quite get it bright enough. And I've heard people like the guys on Talking Utter Slot saying that sometimes the orange is not bright enough on a Marlboro livery. I can assure you this one definitely is, guys. I think the part of the reason I liked it was because I saw a photo of it from the front initially, and it has, if you can see there, the full nighttime rally spec lights, including the extra spotlights mounted up on the tops of the wings there. So this car is was driven by Samir Asef, who is a Lebanese rally driver. I will try and find out more about him and this car before I do the full video, but I did just want to get this out of the box now and show it to you as a bit of an exclusive. Nobody else has got one of these at the moment, I don't think, but you should be able to order them soon. So Avant slot Opel Manta 400 in Marlboro livery. Goes very nicely with my other Avant slot car. So thanks, Steve, for getting me this early. I will unbox this, I will do a bit of research, and I will come back to you guys with a more detailed video, and we'll run this car and review it properly at the weekend. As always, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you will find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help, and if you hit the bell you'll get a notification the next time I post a video, which will be the full review of the car I've just shown you. And as always, check out this slot car channel.